Look, the brutal truth is this. Most limited partners don't just hand over their money and hope for the best. They're on edge, always wondering if the general partner really has it together or if they're about to get burned. And make no mistake, that doubt, it's a poison that eats away at every deal, every handshake, every meeting. Fund governance isn't some boring checklist. It's the pulse that decides whether LPs trust you or start looking over their shoulder, dreaming about pulling out their capital the minute things look shaky. If the governance sucks, trust tanks. Simple. And when trust drops, so does the entire damn fund. Getting this right isn't about throwing together legal docs that nobody reads. It's about building real transparency baked into every moment. Clear lines on who's doing what, when decisions get made, how conflicts get handled. When LPs feel like they're in the dark, that's when they get angry, quietly seething, exhausted by constant second-guessing. You see that in their calls, emails, and when they accidentally don't show up for your updates. It's not because they don't want to care. They're terrified of losing control, getting blindsided by something you didn't say. That fear will wreck your relationship faster than bad returns. Here's where most GPs blow it. They treat governance like a necessary evil, boxes to tick so they can move on. Wrong move. Governance needs to be a weapon, not a burden. Carve out governance structures that don't just protect LPs, but also let them see the gears moving and trust every single turn. Start with straight-up communication rhythms, regular, no-fluff updates that show what's working and what's a mess. Don't bury bad news. Bring it up front and pair it immediately with your plan to fix it. That kind of brutal honesty is what builds unshakable trust. Next, you have to nail your oversight completely. Don't let advisory boards become cosmetic. Make them real. Give LPs actual influence on big decisions. That doesn't mean micromanaging. No one's got time for that. But it means respect. Show you're listening, that their voice matters. When LPs feel sidelined, they build walls. And once those walls go up, your relationship is at war. Conflict of interest? Be ruthless in transparency. Don't hide deals or side projects. Put everything on the table, no exceptions. Let them see the whole picture, even the things that sting, to prove you have nothing to hide. If you don't go there, they'll assume the worst, and that kills trust faster than anything. Broken trust is the silent assassin of every fund. Also, consider governance as a living thing. Don't set it once and forget it. Fund environments change constantly. You need regular governance checkups and adjustments, not just to protect LPs, but to keep your own house in order. That flexibility signals you're professional, proactive, and serious about the relationship, not just collecting checks. LPs want partnership, not a slow-motion train wreck. And here's the kicker. Fund governance isn't just about keeping LPs calm. It's a competitive edge. Funds that build transparent, accountable governance structures attract better LPs, command better terms, and survive downturns that wipe others out. You think it's boring? It's the backbone of capital relationships. Nail it, and you get loyalty, second checks, and referrals that grow your entire network. So stop thinking governance is a side job. Own it. Set rules that LPs see and respect. Communicate obsessively. Bring them in. Don't shut them out. Be real about the good, the bad, and the ugly, and back it with action plans every time. Build governance so solid that LPs don't just trust you, they have no choice but to trust you. If you want to move bigger than most will ever get, start here. No shortcuts, no dodges. Fund governance, done right, is how you turn cold skepticism into fierce loyalty. The LPs won't just hand you money, they'll fight for you. And that's how you build a legacy, not just a fund. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.